International online arbitrage, also known as cross-border arbitrage, has become one of the most exciting opportunities in e-commerce by 2026. As global marketplaces expand and currency fluctuations create new pricing gaps, sellers can now buy low in one country and sell high in another, all without leaving their desk. The concept is simple. You purchase products from online retailers in one region where prices are lower and resell them on marketplaces in another region where demand and prices are higher. This approach takes advantage of international supply and demand differences, exchange rates, and product availability. For example, an item selling for $50 in the United States might retail for $80 in the UK or $90 in Canada. By sourcing globally, you can multiply your profit margins and reduce competition. Many successful sellers now operate across Amazon marketplaces like Amazon US, UK, Germany, and Japan, or even expand into Walmart Canada and Mercado Libre in Latin America. The first step in cross-border arbitrage is market research. Use tools like Smart Scout, Jungle Scout, or Helium 10 Global Market Tracker to identify products with international demand. Analyze sales rank, competition, and price history across different marketplaces. Keepa is also incredibly useful. It now supports international tracking so you can view product trends in multiple countries. Currency exchange is another key factor. Small shifts in exchange rates can turn an average product into a profitable one. Tools like Wise or OFX help manage multi-currency accounts and reduce fees when transferring funds between marketplaces. Next, consider logistics. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA makes cross-border selling easier than ever. You can ship your inventory directly to FBA warehouses in other regions and let Amazon handle storage, delivery, and customer service. Some sellers also use third-party prep centers near international borders to simplify compliance and minimize shipping costs. It's important to understand taxes and import duties. Each marketplace has its own rules regarding VAT, customs declarations, and product restrictions. Tools like Avalara or TaxJar can automate global tax calculations, while services like Z or Global Ecom Experts help sellers manage VAT compliance for European markets. Another strategy is regional product sourcing. Sometimes certain brands or items are only available locally in one country. By sourcing those exclusives and reselling them internationally, you can tap into unmet demand. For instance, beauty or health products from Japan or limited edition sneakers from Europe often sell at a premium in other regions. AI and predictive analytics now make cross-border arbitrage smarter. These tools can track international demand trends, monitor exchange rates, and recommend the best regions to buy and sell in real time. You can even automate price comparisons between global marketplaces using Tactical Arbitrage's international scanning feature. To succeed, build systems for compliance, currency management, and logistics automation. Use centralized dashboards to monitor all your marketplaces, margins, and stock flow across countries. International online arbitrage opens the door to global profit opportunities. The world is your marketplace, and with the right tools, strategy, and automation, you can turn geographical differences into consistent income. In 2026, smart sellers aren't limited by borders. They're powered by them.